dear all. Welcome to my blog. Please regularly visit for updates and reading good articles. The present problems people are facing is how to clear the goods. Dear friends, all our investment is blocked in raw materials and finished goods. So my sincere advice to people is that they should convert raw materials into finished products soon as possible, and whatever price they are getting, they should take maximum advantage of it. Don't wait for a particular price and block your capital further, because the investment which is blocked in the raw materials, that interest part is troubling you. So try to clear your goods out of factory as fast as possible. The another important thing is that to find out angel investors. Gone are those days where you can work on loan alone. There are $15 trillion have come into market, and these angel investors are waiting for results. So give them 10% share and share of your profit. You doesn't lose ownership by this. So long as you have share for more than 50% or 51%, ownership is still yours. But you are getting lot of funds and capital from them. Still you are at profit. You are not taking risk alone. So my request and sincere advice to you is that try to find out angel investors, and you have to find out party of your choice. So wish you all the best to clear goods, whether it is a farm produce or any raw material to be converted to finished goods, because government has declared certain areas grey and green zone from where factories can be operated and trade or businesses manufacturing can be done by observing social distancing. Thanks again, and do regularly watch my blog for regular updates. Thank you so much.